everyone, welcome to my channel. When you try to open some of the videos and you can't because Windows Media Player coming up with this pop-up saying cannot open the file because you don't have HEVC codec for Microsoft, and they ask you to go in Microsoft store and purchase it for $1 US or probably 1.49 for AUD. So if you want it for free, this video is for you. So I'm not wasting any more time now, and let's jump right into it. I'm sharing my screen here. It's like some of them I can't even see the thumbnail, so when I try to open it, it just says here, see how it says checking codec, and then it's come up with this message: you need a new window codec player to play this item. And it says just you can get it here simply. If you want to spend money, you can just get it here and it's easy fix. But for some of them who don't want to pay any money, I can give you a trick that you can probably get rid of the money part and just get it for free. So let me show you. So for that, all you have to do is just go to Google Chrome and try HEVC extension for video Windows 11 and just write up to down, and just click on the first link. I'll probably download it now. Open the file, install. It's ready. Okay, close. Let's try again, see if it's fixed. So there you go. I'll probably put those links down in the description. You can just go to that link straight away and get the file. Even I can upload in the Google Drive and press the Google Drive link, and you can just get the file from there straight away, no issue. So give your support, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.